Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Advait Sai Alamgur. I'm an ophthalmologist. I specialize in cataract, laser refractive surgeries and corneal transplants. Now, on the occasion of eye donation week, today I'd like to be discussing about eye donation. So what is eye donation? Eye donation is an act of donating one's eyes after his or her death. Now, it is an act of charity. It is purely done for social service cause and it is done voluntarily. Now, eye donation should be encouraged on a large scale as it is one of the best means of social service. In fact, one person who donates eyes can allow two blind people to see. Now, in our country, there are about 1.5 million people who are suffering from corneal blindness, and most of which are preventable. Now, the number of corneal tissues required in our country are about 2 lakh per year, but unfortunately only 1/4 of that is met, where we do about 40 to 50,000 surgeries per year, that is corneal transplant. So there's an obvious shortage of the corneal tissue. I will tell you why exactly the shortage of tissue is there, but before going there, let me tell you what exactly a corneal transplant is. Now, a lot of people think that in an eye transplant, the entire eye is removed and it is transplanted. That is not true. Now, this is the structure of the eye. This is the front portion and this is the back portion of the eye. So, the light rays enter here and it hits the nerve of the eye, and from here the signals goes to the brain, and that is how we are able to see. Now, if you can actually see the front surface of the eye, it's a transparent structure. This transparent structure is the cornea. So when you're talking about an eye transplant or a corneal transplant, it is the cornea that is removed and that is transplanted. And as you can see, it is a transparent structure. It is an avascular structure. Avascular structure means that it does not have any blood vessels. So the success rate of cornea is more than 90%. Which is way more than any other transplant if you compare it with the heart transplant or a kidney transplant or a lung transplant. So the success rates are high and it is available, but why is there shortage of the corneal tissue? Why aren't we performing enough surgeries? Well, there are some myths about eye transplants. Like, for example, a lot of people think that in an eye transplant the entire eye is removed and that can cause some facial disfigurement. We just spoke about it. The entire eye is not removed. It's only the front surface of the eye. Only this small tissue, which is 10 to 11 millimeters in size, only this part is removed, and obviously there's no chance of facial disfigurement. Now, a lot of people think that for a transplant to take place, we need to ship the body to the hospital and that is where the tissue is removed. No, all you need to do is you just have to call the eye bank. The team arrives at the place, they remove the tissue and they leave. The removal of the tissue takes only about 10 to 15 minutes time. And some other myths, like some people think that corneal transplant is something that is done, eye transplant is something that is done only when you're alive. No, eye transplant cannot be done when you're alive. It is something that is done only after you're on death. So these were the myths, but what are the actual reasons why there is shortage of corneal tissues? That is because of lack of awareness, lack of community participation, and also lack of social responsibility. So these are some things that we need to focus on as an individual. Now, you want to become an eye donor. How do you pledge to be an eye donor? It is quite simple. All you need to do is you can approach the nearest eye bank at your place, or there's a simpler process, because obviously you don't want to approach an eye bank during COVID times because it is not feasible. So there's an easier approach. So what you can do is you can log on to the Eye Bank Association of India's website, which is www.ebai.org. I will be sharing the website link with my video. So all you need to do is enter the website and you need to fill up the application to become an eye donor. This process takes about less than 3 minutes. So once it is done, all you need to do is you just have to inform your friends, family members and close relatives that you have pledged to be an eye donor, so that they see to it that it is done. So the process is quite simple. We need to act responsible. We need to participate in the community. We as an individual need to be aware, and we need to create awareness amongst others about eye donation. Like I said in the beginning, there are about 1.5 people suffering from corneal blindness, and most of which is preventable. So on this very note, I'd like to finish off saying that be an eye donor, see after you leave. Thank you.